So after being in the financial industry for close to 20 years, the two key lessons which I learned is to manage money, number one, and the second is to pick stocks. And one of my major tasks while I was an investment analyst is on a daily basis, I had to read the newspapers, I had to look at company financial statements with the sole reason of trying to find stocks that have a very good potential to increase in price. So in this episode, I will reveal to you the step-by-step on how I made a couple of really good calls on this channel. I think the first few calls which I made was Perak Transit, Air Asia, and also the oil and gas sectors, amongst others. And if any of you made some gains, please put it down on the comment section. So basically, how I pick stocks is this particular framework right here, which is the top-down methodology, whereby number one, we look at the overall economy, the second is we look at the sector, and the third, we look at what companies are involved. An example of this is during the whole MCO, when I started this channel, you will notice that I was relatively bullish about Perak Transit and also Air Asia. So why I bought this stock is that at that time, I was of the opinion that since many Malaysians cannot travel with the MCO, a lot of transport stocks were oversold and there is a very good potential for them to eventually move up in price. So what we could see since last year is that after the government lifted the MCO, many Malaysians started traveling around the country and we could see that the stock price also followed suit. That being said, however, let me show you what I have invested in and whether I've been making a little bit of money. So over here in my portfolio, we could see that one of my investments was Impiana, and part of the reasons why I invested in this company is that this year, while going for holidays, I noticed that a lot of hotels were either fully booked or almost fully booked. And when looking at the high demand for these services, in my head, I knew that this was an investment opportunity. And that was one of the reasons why I bought this stock called Impiana, which happens to be a hotel stock.